not getting the memo about the all-white party.
We're trying to bring the people together, bring entrepreneurs, small business, any like-minded individual. We're trying to bring them together and do something different. And guess what we're using to do it? We're using great music and food.
I need y'all to help me say happy anniversary. Can y'all do that? Yeah. Can y'all do that? Can y'all do that for me? All right. On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3.
All right, so it's Friday night. We had our all-white social mixer, phenomenal time. We had Ashlyn Prather performing. We had Chef Jannard Wells preparing the food. Miss Tanya Love, one of the best interior decorators, event planners in the city, and excited. So next time you see a Chester W. Sharp event, please come out, support it.
I just wanted to say how great this event was. The entertainment was wonderful. The food was awesome by the Love Chef. I encourage everyone to come out. It's relaxing, fun time, no problems, no drama.
Tonight was awesome. It was, the vibe was nice. Everybody was up. It was a great night.
Tonight was awesome. Chester Sharp did an excellent job along with my daughter Ashlyn Prather. All the songs and everything was wonderful. The food was wonderful. The people were just excellent. We had a great time, great time. Thank you so much for having this. We need to do this more often.
It was amazing tonight, full of energy, full of families and friends, and it was phenomenal.
That all-white mixer was off the charts. Ashlyn was the bomb. You need her, call her. She's the girl. She's the real deal.
Miss Ashley, she can sing, and the food was excellent. And shouts goes out to my cousin Chester W. Sharp. He put on a nice event.
We look forward to the next one.
Great concept to bring local businesses together to network. So it was a great opportunity, and I really enjoyed the process.
Chester Sharp, you did amazing.
Hey Marty,
I'm so proud of you.
This is the place to be, right?
It is a place to be.
On a Friday night.
All right.
Where else to be? Bye.
Good night. See you.